Alexa, turn off office lights.
Okay.
Are you looking for an easy way to replace and update the tired, dated lighting that you have in your house? In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install smart LED recessed lighting. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Let's dive in. Now we're going to go step by step with removing the old lighting as well as replacing it with the smart recessed LED. Super lightweight, super easy because it is so lightweight. Now the set that we're installing today is the 4-inch smart recessed light from Lumary. We're going to be installing it in our wall unit, but your application, you can actually install it in your ceiling because it is so lightweight. In fact, these clips make it easy for you to put right inside the drywall. This kit came with 4 LEDs as well as 4 junction boxes for installation. And it's smart, so you can actually program it from warm white to cool white, as well as 16 million different colors. So you could even dial it in for your favorite team's colors on game day. Now for ceiling installation, what you want to do is remove the old fixture. First, kill the power at the light switch as well as the breaker panel. Once you're certain that there's no power going to that light fixture, then remove the light fixture and disconnect the light fixture from the wiring. You may want to remove the box as well. This set came with junction boxes, but I think you'll be hard pressed to get it to fit inside the existing box. So pull the wiring down through the hole. So with the template, enlarge the hole so it can receive the light fixture. At this point, you'll also want to patch up any corners, touch it up with drywall, as well as paint. Because when the light fixture is in place, you'll be able to see those corners if the old hole is too big. Next, with the wire nuts provided, attach black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. Now this is a very lightweight box, but if you need to or if you want to, it even has mounting hardware and keyholes for you to mount it to the rafter or the ceiling joist. It also has a knockout for you to run your wiring through. So close that up, tuck that up, and leave the connecting wire down through the hole. Then you want to make your connection and tighten it down. At this point, I strongly suggest you power up the circuit and make sure you have power to the light and everything is functional. This is a great time to do any troubleshooting that you need to. Then if everything's good, fold the springs back and tuck them up behind the drywall. Make sure everything's good because these springs are so tough that if you have to do any troubleshooting, you're going to be hard pressed to get the light back out of the ceiling. Then install the app and you can even pair it with Google or Alexa. Set your controls and your schedule. Have fun, find your favorite color or your team's colors. Now, like I said, I'm installing this in the wall unit. So step 1 is I'm gonna make sure those holes are cut. Now with my wall unit, I have the luxury of working on it from the top as well. You won't have that if you're doing a ceiling installation. And with the box mounted and the wiring in place, now I have the ability to do the connection. And now I dial it in and program it. Now having installed the lights, we next go to the instructions, bring up camera, point camera there, open that. Create an account. Download the app and sign into the app. From Zhang Zhang. Suspense is killing me. Allow the app to search for your smart recessed lights.
Very good.
Now you have to add each of your smart recessed lights to Alexa or Google individually. Then set your lights to your desired colors. Swipe right for the color wheel, swipe left for the white temperature. Colors. Let's go Dolphins. Game day. That's orange. That's orange. And that's ready for game day. Now I can set it back by just saying, Alexa, set office lights to white.
Okay.
You see how easy that is? I don't have to worry about having straps to the joist or the rafters, and it also gives me a lot more flexibility as opposed to just a simple screw-in light bulb. For more helpful videos like this one, be sure to subscribe and click the image in your screen now.